Good evening. A meeting held in a Fresno federal courthouse this afternoon discussing the next steps in a case that could potentially reshape the Kern County Board of Supervisors.
23 ABC's Brandon Johansson joins us live from Fresno. And Brandon, what are you learning today?
Yeah, guys, both sides came together in the courtroom today, and as the judge said, both of them presented good arguments, but ultimately the final decision in all of this has been delayed until later this month. Now, you'll remember, this all started based on the Kern County Board of Supervisors map that you're seeing on your screen now, specifically the northern portion of Delano, McFarland, and Shafter. The Mexican American Legal Defense and Educational Fund brought the suit against the county, saying that the districts adopted in 2011 unlawfully denied Latinos a fair voice in elections. MALDEF's hope is to get new districts drawn up for the 2018 elections, while the county is arguing that it will be too disruptive to this June election that is already in motion. Today, a district judge in Fresno heard both sides of the argument again. Again, the judge saying that both sides had good points, and he does not want to have to order anything. He said he'd prefer that both sides come to a compromise. Dolores Huerta was at today's conference. She said she's just hoping that the county gets this resolved quickly.
Hopefully they have heard what the community has spoken, and they will continue to listen. And if they don't, I think it's going to just create a lot more conflict within the community, and it will make them look even worse than what they look like now.
The judge says that this will all be remedied at a settlement conference here in Fresno on March 28th at 8:30 a.m. again up here in Fresno. At that time, he hopes that the case will be resolved and that the maps will be figured out and drawn up. He also said, though, that if things are not resolved here at the courthouse on March 28th, he does have an order in place that he will then order at that time. Now, again, he's giving both sides the option to come together for a compromise, but he will issue something on the 28th or after that if something is not decided. No word yet on what that might be. For now in Fresno, Brandon Johansson, 23 ABC News.